In this video, I'm going to show you how to develop high-quality keyword lists for your market faster than ever. And the way we're going to do this is by using the SEMRush tool. To use this tool, you'll need an account with SEMRush. And if you follow the instructions below this video, you'll be able to get a free trial account for 2 weeks to see if this feature works for you and suits your needs. Now, if you frequently do keyword research and build AdWords campaigns, then I would strongly recommend that you give the tool and the free trial with SEMRush a try, especially if you're building multiple campaigns a day. Now, after signing up for an account with SEMRush, you can log in, and then over here, click on the API link. And on this page, they'll provide you with an API key, which you'll need to copy. Then go to AdWordAccelerator, click on File, System Settings, and paste your API key in here and press OK. And now you're ready to begin. Let's begin with a simple example for the golf clubs industry. So I'll go ahead and enter a domain, tgw.com, which I found when I searched in Google for golf clubs. Next, I'll select this and press Get More Domains, which will cause AdWordAccelerator to suggest a list of other closely related domain names worth checking. So I can quickly scroll through this list and select any domain and press View Site to see how relevant it is for the golf clubs market. And so I can see this one is. Now, to keep this demo short, I'm just going to work with 3 domains for now. Next, I'll press Analyze, and this will cause AdWordAccelerator to feed each domain name into SEMRush, which will return a list of keywords for each one. Now, you can imagine how much time this will save you if you want to investigate a lot of sites at once. Now, while this is going on, let me just say something real quick about keyword spy tools. Many people mistakenly believe that a keyword spy tool can reveal all of your competitors' keywords, and this is simply not true. The reason is because many sites bid on broad and phrase match keywords, and spy tools, which work by querying Google with a list of machine-generated search terms, cannot distinguish among the different match types. So you'll often end up with a messy list of long-tail terms and terms that are not even relevant at times for the domain name you're checking. And then you're left to sift through and clean up the results. Fortunately, AdWordAccelerator was designed to take care of this by providing some powerful filters and a way to extract the most popular phrases from the results. Now, here's how they work. First, I'll select all of the domains up top, and this will combine all of my keywords into one list down below. And so if I scroll down real quick, you can see this is a big list of keywords, and it's a little messy. So next, I'll sort by the keyword column. And now if I scroll down, notice how there are certain phrases that are clustered together. A lot of these terms are the ones we're going to want to go after and use for phrase and possibly even broad match keywords in AdWords. And I'll show you how to get at them quickly in a moment. And before I do that, I'll apply some filtering to hone in on the keywords that I really want. So, since we're dealing with golf clubs, I'll enter in words here like club, driver, iron, putter, and wedge. Sometimes I find if I'm not familiar with a market, using a thesaurus can help. And I'll go ahead and block out other golf-related terms that I don't want to see, like shirt, ball, cart, glove, and shoe. Now notice how I don't use plural versions of these words, since typing them in this way will block out both singular and plural. So that'll save you a little time. Now I can also set some other filters. I'll look for keywords with 500 searches a month or more. And I could even set the minimum number of domains here, which means the number of domains a keyword was found for. So the more domains there are for a keyword in this column here, the more relevant it will probably be, since more than one advertiser was found bidding on it or ranked for it in SEO. Now I'll skip filling this in for now and press OK, and I'll apply filtering. And now as I scroll down, you can see a much better targeted list for golf clubs. I can also extract the most common phrases that occur throughout this list by selecting all of my keywords here and pressing the Get Popular Phrases button. Now I'll pause this just to save a little time, and I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so we're back, and that took less than 50 seconds, so not too bad here. Now I can see the list of popular phrases that were extracted, the number of times they occurred. Obviously golf would be the highest here. And what I can do is go ahead and sort and see my results. And I can condense this list more by using filtering here. So for example, I might look for phrases that have at least 20 clicks a day, number of occurrences greater than 2, and again, I'll go ahead and fill in a few words here to narrow this down, like club, iron, driver, putter, and wedge. And so again, you can see these popular phrases that were extracted, and now you have a very relevant list of keywords that would work well, especially for phrase and possibly broad match types in AdWords. So I usually play around with the filtering until I get a list the right size that I'm looking for. You know, I'll experiment with the number of occurrences, the clicks per day, and adding in different words into the filters until I get my list right. And finally, I should mention one more thing. Both filters that I showed you here provide a way to require or block out keywords that contain geographic information, like names of U.S. cities, names of U.S. states, and countries throughout the world. And this is very handy to have when working in regional markets like travel, real estate, and auto insurance, to name a few. And these filters will basically provide a way to quickly remove these regional words or to quickly hone in on them if you want to go after them. It all depends on what you want to do. Some people like bidding on localized words. Some people want to remove these, so you can use the filtering either way. Now, once you have condensed your keyword list down to the way you like it, what I recommend you do is go ahead and select your keyword, and then you can right-click and copy them, and then go and feed them into the Estimates and Competition tool to turn these into ad groups of keywords while analyzing your competition. Then you take the results from there, put it into the Campaigns tool, and then after generating your text ads, you're ready to upload this information into your AdWords account. Or another strategy is to take some keywords from here after filtering them and put them back into the keyword basket and using them as a starting point to flesh out a more comprehensive keyword list on your own. So that's it. Again, I'd recommend getting a free trial account to SEMRush and seeing what this tool can do for you. It's a huge time saver, especially when you want to get keyword ideas from your competitors. And the nice thing is SEMRush doesn't even require a credit card when you sign up. So you got nothing to lose. So sign up and give it a try.